How to use CapCut templates for free. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Go to the templates section at the bottom. Browse through hundreds of free templates for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube videos. When you find one you like, tap Use Template. Add your own photos or video clips. CapCut will automatically edit your video with effects, transitions, and music. Finally, preview your video and export it in high quality. You don't need to pay anything, all these templates are free. Let's talk about CapCut templates with a star. You might see them and think, wow, I want this one. But these star templates are premium, which means you need to pay to use them. If you try to use them without a subscription, CapCut won't let you. This is the easiest way to make professional videos in minutes. Follow for more CapCut tips and tricks.